In a garden painted soft with light, two little birds took their flight, nestled close on branches high, beneath the calm and open sky. One looks left, the other right, guarding dreams through day and night. Feathers soft and hearts so true, they sing a song the breezes knew. Fly, fly, little mama, sing over meadows under spring. Build your home on hope and leaves in a world that gently breathes. Flowers bloom around their wings, life unfolds in simple things. Petals dance and branches sway, love lives in a quiet way. One looks left, the other right,